Um, Hi, be! Happy anniversary! I miss you. I love you. At ito pala yung baby natin, no? Yan. Sabi niya sa'yo, Hi, Daddy! Happy anniversary sa inyo ni Mama! Sabi niya. Ano pa ba? Tapos, ito, dalawang alaga ko. Yan yung inadapt ko. Ito si Avery, tsaka ito si Sophina. Happy anniversary daw sa atin. Kakantahan kita. Kaso lang, saan ba pwede? Dito. Dito na lang. Dito na lang. Yan. Actually, kinanta ko na sa'yo to dati. Kaso para sa anniversary natin yun eh. Kaya, kakantahin ko na lang sa'yo ulit. Huwag ka magreklamo ha. 1, 2, 3. Para to sa taong pinakamamahal ko. Nox! Sintonado yung gitara, hindi ako marunong magtimple eh. It seems so hard to see. It seems so hard to believe that there's someone like you who's willing to love me. There were footsteps of love that you tried to climb. You're so evident, girl, for you to reach me. Would you say you'll never leave? I just want you to stay. I don't care what people think. All I care is you're there. Now that you are mine, I see the stars are shining in the sky. I'm here to let you know that I love you so. As it gets me waiting for us up there more. That you are mine. I see the stars are shining in the sky, and I'm here to let you know that I love you so. As it gets me waiting for us up here more. Tapos na. Happy anniversary ulit. Yun na yung regalo ko sa'yo ha. Pasensya na kasi wala ako dyan. Tsaka malayo tayo. Pero kaya naman natin yun, di ba? Mahal na mahal kita, be. Bye-bye. Mwah.